Hello students, this is Alisha, your mathematics teacher, and we are going to move on to the last part of a geometry chapter, that is worksheet. So in this video, we are going to solve a few questions that are there in the worksheet. Let's see the first question. Identify the following. So here they have told us to identify the solids that are given in the pictures. So the first picture is of a globe. So what you can see in a globe is a round shape, and as I have told that the round shaped solid is known as a sphere. So therefore the first solid is a sphere. Moving to the next one is a dice. Dice is shaped in a square shape. So therefore the solid shape of a square is a cube. So the second one is a cube. Third one is the eraser. Eraser has a shape of a rectangle, and rectangle shaped solid is known as a cuboid. So therefore the cuboid is a solid shape of a rectangle, a cube is a solid shape of a square, and a sphere is a solid shape of a circle. So you have understood how to identify the solids that are given in the pictures. Now moving to the second question, that is for homework. In the second question, you have to basically identify and write the number of vertices, edges, faces that are given for the particular shape. So that has already been taught to you earlier in the earlier videos. So you can have a look at that and refer it for answering this second question, that is fill in the blanks. Moving to the third question, how many line segments are required to make these alphabets? So there are a few alphabets given to us, and we have to identify how many line segments. What is a line segment? A line that is drawn from point A to point B. So we have to identify how many line segments are required to make a particular alphabet. So let's have a look at the first one, that is an L alphabet. So the first line segment is this, a vertical one. You can have a look at the laser, the red point that I'm showing. You can refer that to count your line segments. So 1 and 2. Second is a horizontal line. So there are 2 line segments required to make the alphabet L. Moving to the second one, that is Z. For Z, you need 1, 2 and 3. So for Z, you need 3 line segments. Third one is N. For N, you need 1, 2 and 3. So for N also you require 3 line segments for making N. Fourth one is W. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for W you require 4 line segments. So you have understood how to count the line segments given in the alphabet. You just have to count how many lines are there in the alphabet, and that will give you the number of line segments required to make that particular alphabet. Let's move on to the fourth question now. Draw a line of symmetry in letters of alphabet which are symmetrical. So here basically we have to identify which alphabets are symmetrical by drawing a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry, you know, is whatever thing is given to us, we make it into half. We draw a line from between. So same way we have to draw a line of symmetry to identify which alphabets are symmetrical. So let's see, the first one is P. Let's draw a line of symmetrical first in a horizontal manner. As you can see, in horizontal manner, drawing P, the two sides that are divided does not look exactly the same. So therefore, let's try another way, that is a horizontal line of symmetry. Here also you can see both sides of, that is the top and the bottom, do not make the same, do not look the same. So therefore, P is not a symmetrical alphabet. Let's move to O. Let's draw a line of symmetry in a horizontal manner. As you can see, the top and the bottom look exactly the same when we divide the alphabet O. By drawing a line of symmetry horizontally, you can see both top and bottom look the same. So therefore, O is a symmetrical alphabet. Next, let's have a look at R. Let's draw a line of symmetry in a horizontal manner. You can see the top and the bottom do not look the same, so therefore it is not symmetrical. Again, let's try drawing a line of symmetry in a vertical manner. even after drawing a line of symmetry in a vertical manner, you can see this side and this side do not look the same. So therefore R is not symmetrical or asymmetrical alphabet. And next one is S. Let's draw a line of symmetry for S. As you can see, both the sides look the same. It gives you a mirror look. So therefore, S is a symmetrical alphabet. So this is how you draw a line of symmetry to identify which alphabets are symmetrical and which alphabets are asymmetrical. So remaining letters that are given to you, you have to try it at home and you have to identify which are symmetrical and asymmetrical. You can have more alphabets to practice the same. So this is the end of the chapter. In the next video, we will start with the new chapter, that is money. Make sure you complete the notes of these questions, of these videos, the geometry chapter, in your textbook itself. Thank you.